Okay guys, today we're gonna do this unpacking for this rear lights that I got. And it's gonna be for a 2007 Toyota Tundra. And the brand that we went to, it will be the Spider. Terminal 2 guys, we're gonna see how they pack this. Woo! So, come with this thing and voila! Right here. This is how they look pretty much. Check this out. Hey, oh snap! You need to give me this. Thank you, sir. So, like we can see right here, we got the first light, and it looks like it's protected from the second line with this other piece, which is great. That way there will not be scratching or anything, and pretty much we got our second light right here. And there you go. Yep. Okay, so like we can see, they pretty much, the two lights, they come in this plastic bag. I thought they just put it inside, but these bags are pretty much sealed in here, so we're gonna have to pretty much break it. Cut it. See you guys. Okay, so I already removed all the plastic cover that it came with, and man, I gotta tell you guys, that looks so nice. Woo, just take a look at this. So like we can see right here, we got the reverse lights, our brake lights. Oh no, never mind. This is our brake lights right here, which will be like the Spider that we see right here. And I guess this is the turn signal light. Yeah. So, man, I gotta tell you, they look so nice right now. I can't wait to put them on the truck tomorrow. That way we can see how they're gonna look on the truck. I'm so happy how they look. So, and they pack it really good on the box. They didn't come damaged or anything. So this was the video I wanted to do for the unboxing on these two lights. And I'll let you know tomorrow in another video once I put them on, so you guys can see how it looks on the truck. If you like this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks, guy. So one of the things I want to point it out is about the connection that you're using. You can see this is a connection that you can use in pretty much in your regular plug. And if we look on the box, it should be like a paper around, which is right here, where it's pretty much explain you how you gotta do this. And that you can see pretty much, you just gotta connect it into your regular outlet. So we should have no problems, but we're gonna try to do this tomorrow. So we're gonna see this instruction to see what they can help. And yeah, we can go from there.